If you wanted to learn something out of the ordinary or interesting, well, you can by taking classes online at Skillshare.com, which are taught by instructors that have their own class rosters. I learned how to juggle and make a decent Photoshop edit right away by using Skillshare. So, what are you waiting for? There are dozens of online courses that you can take that ranging from physics all the way to finger painting. Be sure to check for my referral link in the description after watching this video for a free week trial, courtesy of Skillshare. It's thanks to them I can provide content to you as often as I do, so I thank Skillshare for sponsoring this video. This is episode 3 of a mini-series where we make our pictures look old. In this episode we'll be using Retroarch, which is a freeware emulator. Just like an artist's Swiss Army knife, this is now for a video gamer's Swiss Army knife where you can use emulators and to play older video games or to be any old operating system. Today we'll be talking about Retroarch 1.9.11. Retroarch is a free and open source cross-platform front-end for emulators, game engines, video games, media players, and other applications. It was originally known as SSNES based on the programmer Nier's Libertaria predecessors LBIS SNES and began in 2010 as an interface replacement. Then by 2012, it soon gained support to run video game emulators and was released in 2014. Its open source community led to being able to run many emulation programs such as Dolphin, PCSX2, Citra, older 90 PC games, and arcade games. This program can also be used in miniature versions of operating systems called the Raspberry Pi, which acts like Nintendo's NES Classic and PlayStation's mini console. Within Retroarch, it can use shaders to apply different visual effects, such as the ones we've learned in the past in Photoshop. We will be using these preset shaders to apply onto our pictures. First step, we will be having to download a specific version of Retroarch from its website. To make the process faster, we'll be getting the portable version of this program. First, we go to the download page in Retroarch's website and select download instead of installer from the operating system you'll be using. There'll be two options to select here, which is 64 and 32-bit. To find out which version you're using, press the Windows button and search for About Your PC. Look for system type and it should tell you. After extracting the program into a folder, create a folder for your photos that you'll be applying your shader onto. After opening Retroarch, go to Open Desktop menu. On the left menu, go to Images. Click on it and right-click on the white space and select Add Folders. Select the folder you've created, then Accept. After that's done, restart Retroarch. Go to Images by pressing right on your keyboard 4 times and select the image. Now press F1 to bring up the overlay and go to Shaders. After going to Shaders, enable it. More menus should appear now. Go to Shaders_GLSL. My recommendation is to make your pictures look old, either through CRT or a preset TV out. After selecting the shader that you want, backspace until you can go back to the first menu and go to the very top and take a screenshot. And you're done. Now that your picture's been sent to the 90s, we'll be now learning the importance of erasing. These videos were made in part by you and were made for you. Thank you for watching my videos and subscribe. Thank you.